Okay, so for now, let's assemble the cloth dryer. This is the nylon structure. Just be careful for this. You can break your arms. Oh wow, shucks. So that's the nylon structure. Let's open. Let's set. If you like that, just pull this one. Right. So that's it. It's almost 3 feet. So you see, it's like that. Okay. So we have a 2 zipper. So this one is for you have reserve in case the one will destroy. So it's inside. So this will be the net. Okay, so next is we install this box. So just connect the two. See the difference? These pairs should be connected. That they are pairs. This one as well. See that? It's like a groove as well. They are pairs, so just connect. Right, so we have 3 bars. So to install these 3 bars, let's just this one. Just put it there. There, just insert it like that. Wait. Just insert there. The other ends. So install the 2 one. So that's it. So the 3 bars were installed. Yeah. Okay, so let's operate the 2 hangers from the cottage. one. So here's my clothes. It will be dried. This one. Let's try the two. You can use this as well. Any hangers will do. This is such a nice lock. You put the bar here, you go down there, that's to unlock. Put the bar there, then yeah, it's nice. The bar will not go down or whatever. That's the lock position. To remove that, just push it down. That the bar will be removed. The bar will be removed. That's it. So let's try. Two clothes are wet, so I'm going to put these two clothes inside. Going to close this. Okay, so let's install the blower here. It's the blower. This one is for the base of the motor. This one for the base of the motor. That just insert it. This just plug in, then we have the knob here, the knob there. Just turn that to on, and if you like to have a timer, just your desired time. This for 30 minutes. So timer. Can off. The maximum time is 180 minutes. It's 3 hours. It's hot. So let's install. So to install this, then install this one. Yeah. Then just see it. That. That's it. So it's the blower. So let's try. Turn it on. Okay. So it's blowing here. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes is over. So 3 minutes. Let's check what's going on inside. Wow, it's so hot. Wow. Wow. It's working. So it's working. You can dry your hair as well. You can also use this to dry your shoes. Like that. So ready to wear.